albatross, gliding with grace, soaring through oceans in a wide open space. B is for bluebird, singing so sweet, bringing the spring with a musical tweet. C is for crow, clever and sly, cawing out loud as it flies through the sky. D is for dove, so peaceful and white, a symbol of love in gentle flight. E is for eagle, fierce and bold, king of the sky with feathers of gold. F is for falcon, fast as can be, swooping down quickly for all to see. G is for goose, honking along, marching in flocks with a waddling song. H is for hawk, with vision so keen, scouting the fields in a stare so serene. I is for ibis, in wetlands it stays, wading through waters on sunny days. J is for jay, in blue and grey, chattering loudly throughout the day. K is for kite, soaring so high, dancing and gliding across the sky. L is for lark that sings at dawn, greeting the sun with a tune so drawn. M is for magpie, shiny things found, chirping and hopping all around. N is for nightingale, singing at night, filling the dark with notes so bright. O is for owl, wise and still, hooting by moonlight on a hill. P is for parrot, so colorful and loud, mimicking voices and drawing a crowd. Q is for quail, quick on its toes, hiding in grass where nobody goes. R is for robin, red on its chest, building a nest where it loves best. S is for swan, so graceful and white, gliding on lakes in morning light. T is for toucan, with a rainbow beak. In tropical forests, it plays hide and seek. U is for umbrella bird, crest on its head, found in the forest where few dare to tread. V is for vulture, circling high, cleaning the land and the sky. W is for woodpecker, tapping the trees, knocking on trunks with relative ease. X is for xanthus, a hummingbird bright, flashing its feathers in tropical light. Y is for yellowhammer, bright and sweet, singing from hedges in summer heat. Z is for zebra finch, stripy and neat, tiny and chirpy with hopping feet. We learned the birds from A to Z, so flap your wings and sing with me. Birds are fun in every way. Let's fly and chirp